Hello, I'm Ashley Helm from Clevertouch and I manage our end user engagement team. It's my team that come out and run all the demos and all the training for all of our verticals, whether you're in primary or secondary education, whether you're a multi-academy trust or a local authority, if you're a college or university, even through to the MOD, blue light, healthcare and into the enterprise space. Today, we're talking about our brand new first to market, Google certified EDLA IMPACT Lux screen. My colleague Ryan Stapleton will talk to you a little bit later with reference to all of the great stuff that you can do with the Google integration. We've also got full Microsoft integration for those of you that are Microsoft houses. And my colleague Nick Barker will be talking to you with reference to the FE and the HE market. He looks after our colleges and universities. We've then got Mark Tilsley, and he'll be talking about the enterprise area of the business, and he manages the enterprise vertical from Clevertouch's perspective. I hope you'll agree that the new IMPACT Lux is a game changer when it comes to interactive touchscreens in the education market space. If you're looking for more information and want some more detail, if you go to clevertouch.com, we'll get back in touch as soon as you drop us a line. Thanks very much.